How to edit or delete CNAME Record in cPanel using the DNS Zone Editor. You can edit or delete CNAME records using the cPanel DNS Zone Editor. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Go to the Domains section and click the Zone Editor. Suppose we want to edit the CNAME record for domain example.com. Then click this Manage button. All the DNS records for the domain are loaded on this page. Now click to apply filter and show only CNAME records for the domain. Now click the Edit button in front of that CNAME record which you want to modify. Let's edit the record named forum.example.com. Make the desired changes and click the Save Record button. The CNAME record has been updated. To delete a CNAME record, click the Delete button and continue. We have deleted the particular CNAME record for the domain example.com. Now you know how to edit or delete CNAME records. Thank you for watching.